So you've seen the previous videos. I was suffering from a severe dandruff. A lot of dandruff was present on my head. Ustraa also saw those videos and they hooked me up with this hair serum anti-dandruff. And there are some major key points that I want to highlight about this anti-dandruff hair serum. So even though it says on the bottle, this is hardly a hair serum. It is not used on the strands in the first place. So it is not used to like straighten the hair or make it silkier or smoother or frizz-free. Nothing. It's not meant for that. What it is meant for is getting you rid of dandruff. So I have used it and I have been using it, but before jumping on to the conclusion if this thing works or not, if this worked for me or not, let's look at some of the reasons why someone would like to use something like this. So there are a lot of anti-dandruff solutions present on the market and most of them usually use an anti-dandruff shampoo, and there's nothing wrong with that, right? Anti-dandruff shampoos do work. They work really well. The thing is, they've only got a few seconds or at most few minutes, 2 or 3 minutes to work on the scalp, right? Then we're gonna wash it off. At most 5 minutes you can rub that in, but that's it. Then we're gonna wash it off. And this is the area where a product like this shines. It's absolutely golden because we can just spray it on the scalp and just let it stay there as long as we want. And because this comes with a spray nozzle, it makes it really convenient to use, which I'm gonna get to in a minute. But for now, let's focus why this works better. And that is obviously because it's got a lot more time to work its thing on the scalp because we're leaving it at least a night over the scalp, right? So it is written in the directions to apply it 15 minutes before the hair wash or leave it on for the night, overnight for the best results. So it's got at least 15 minutes to work on the scalp to fight that fungus malassezia that causes dandruff. But in case one decides to leave it overnight, it's gonna do its magic. So try to understand, it's got a lot more time to work its magic on the scalp to treat the dandruff. Now getting on the convenience part, as I said, it comes with a spray nozzle, so it is really hassle-free to apply it on the scalp. Like with the dropper tool, we need to drop every single strand on the scalp and then rub it in. But I find the spray nozzle to be more convenient than that. I can just make a few partitions in my hair and then just spray the serum in there. And that's it. I just leave it on like that. I don't even massage it. I don't even rub it on the scalp. So it's just like that, quick, simple, and hassle-free. So even if you forget to apply it overnight, you can just apply it 15 minutes before the wash. It takes like 1 minute to apply it to get it in the scalp, and that's it. Now talking about the nature of this serum. As it is going to stay on the scalp for a long duration, probably overnight or maybe even beyond that, it is really important for a product like this to be lightweight in nature, and that is something it is. Because it is a water-based product, it does not make the hair look or even feel greasy. Like I had a hairspray in my hair and it even dissolved that. So it is really lightweight, it does not cause any greasiness or oiliness. So another really important thing that I want to highlight is because of the nature of these products and because of how it works, we are usually going to spray it on the scalp after like 4 days of hair wash, right? And by then our scalp already becomes really greasy and nasty and oily, and chances are it even smells bad if you were to smell it really close. So it is important for this product to smell good, and I am really glad that it does. And even if I spray it on my 4th day scalp, it is going to dissolve all the stink and it's going to convert that into a good smell. But the important part is it doesn't make the scalp smell worse than it already does. So as for the ingredients, on the bottle it says it's got ginger and tea tree oil that controls 99% dandruff causing microorganisms. I wonder why is it always 99% and not 98 or 100%, but that's that. And again, it's Ustraa, so it's got no sulfates, no parabens, nothing. And the ingredients that matter to me the most in a hair care products are not the good ones, are not the key ingredients that make the product what it is. These are actually the bad ones that are not supposed to be in a hair care product, like the sulfates and the parabens, right? And all the other chemicals that are not good for hair. I care about those, and I want those to be absent from any hair care product. The key ingredients are all good and healthy. Yeah, we know that. That's what makes the product what it is. But I don't want any bad chemicals, and this one does not contain any. But here's the list of every single ingredient that this hair serum does contain, so you can look it up on the internet if you want to. Now, to conclude this video, I'm going to tell you that my dandruff is completely treated now. It's dandruff free. I've got no dandruff, and with it, it took the hair fall as well. So my scalp is completely in a really healthy situation as of right now. But I'll say that it was probably not only this hair serum. I was also using an anti-dandruff shampoo. So maybe the combination of both of these things is what got me rid of my dandruff, and along with that, the hair fall. But I will tell you that it is really good and it does really work. It gives you that nice and soothing feeling that your scalp is actually dandruff free. It kind of preps the scalp for the anti-dandruff shampoo that you're going to use the next day, so that it can work on the scalp more effectively. So if you're going through dandruff and you use this serum alongside an anti-dandruff shampoo, man, you're gonna get rid of dandruff really quickly. 1 month is probably more than enough. But in case you don't want to use any anti-dandruff shampoo and you want to stick to the shampoo that you are using right now, I believe this serum is enough to get you rid of that nasty dandruff. And there's a power cut, but I believe we have already concluded the video. And don't forget, there's the Discord server and my Instagram account linked in the description. And in case you find this anti-dandruff serum interesting, there will be a link in the description for this as well. And please do make the effort of giving this video a thumbs up, and don't subscribe to the channel before first watching some of the other videos as well. And with that being said, I'll see you around.